Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the problem, reflection on the product surface. Duplicate the background so you can always revert, then use the lasso or pen tool to make a loose, careful selection around the product and its reflection. Once done, refine the edge with select and mask if needed, and create a new layer above the duplicate for non-destructive editing. This lets you test fixes without altering pixels. Make sure to zoom to 100% for accurate work. Now tackle the reflection itself. For broad areas, run Content-Aware fill inside your selection to let Photoshop synthesize matching pixels. If it struggles, switch to the clone stamp at 30–50% hardness and sample nearby clean areas. After that, refine with the healing brush and the patch tool to restore texture and subtle highlights. Use a soft-edged layer mask to paint transitions. That keeps shadows and edges believable. Keep sampling frequently, because surface curvature changes how light reads across the object. Finish by matching contrast and sheen. Create a 50% gray layer set to overlay for subtle dodge and burn to rebuild highlights and depth. This makes the fix read naturally. If color or texture mismatch remains, use frequency separation to edit color on the low layer and texture on the high layer. Once done, flatten a copy for output, but keep layers. If you still see stubborn reflections, consider the troubleshooting tip. Reshoot with a polarizing filter or change light angles to eliminate the source.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.